In this video, I am going to show you how to convert any Python code into an executable file that you can run on other machines that do not have Python or the required packages. It basically means converting the Python code into an app. So let's begin. We will use a package named PyInstaller. Go to your command prompt, write pip install PyInstaller and press enter. Wait for it to install. It's not installing on my system because it's already installed. Once you have PyInstaller installed, you can convert a Python code to an executable format. Now open the folder where you have your Python code and type cmd in the address bar. In cmd, type pyinstaller dash dash one file dash w and the name of your Python code and press enter. Dash dash one file will create one file bundle executable instead of many different files. I recommend you type dash w so that it does not bring the console when it runs. If you have a GUI, as I have here, it is recommended that you type hash w, or if your code runs in console, then don't type hash w. It will take some time if your code is big and have a lot of dependencies. So wait for it to complete, and in the meanwhile you can go take a break. So now that's complete, you can exit the command prompt, and now I will show you how to run your file. You will see two folders named dist and build in the directory where the code was saved. Delete the build folder as we don't need it, as well as delete main.spec. We only need the dist folder. Open it and you will find an executable file. If you have dependencies, drag the .exe file to the directory where the dependencies are. I have no dependencies for this code, so I will just double click on it to run the .exe file. It will take me a minute or so to run as there are no dependencies in my code. If you have dependencies, it will take 3 to 4 minutes on the first boot. So there you have it. It's running successfully, and as you can see, you have successfully created an exe file for your code. You can share it with your friends, family or anyone else, and it will run just like a normal app on their system as well. If you have dependencies, I will create another video where I will show you how you can share the app with dependencies to other people. I hope you like the video. Give it a like and share it with your friends. For more videos related to Python and tech, subscribe to Bros Behind the Keyboard. Thank you.